To insert furniture in Revit, you can go to Architecture tab. Under Build panel, there's Component tool. If I click this one, you can see that by default there's only this desk and a few trees here. So to load more furniture, you can go to Load Family at the Mod panel, and under Malaysia there's a lot of folders here, so you can choose furniture, and let's choose tables. So if you click once, you can see the preview at the right side. Let's choose this one, open, and then you can place it. Now let's try another furniture like this desk. So before you place the furniture, you can still press spacebar to rotate the furniture. And if you move it to the corner of the room, it will snap at edge of the walls. You can also download your furniture from the internet. You can just search Revit Furniture BIM, and then the first website is BIM Object. The second website that I want to show is this one, Volantis BIM Object. So I already downloaded this one. You click download, you have to log in first, download, and then choose Revit file. For this one, if you click download, the default one is already the Revit file, so you can just click download. And then from your Revit, you can go to other way to insert components, to insert furniture is by going to Insert tab. There's Load Family under Load from Library panel. Click Load Family. So for the previous furniture that I've downloaded is in another folder. I would just like to mention here that this default folder, the libraries, the shortcut is here under Metric Library. Now let's go to the folder where I've downloaded two WC. So inserting furniture and fittings is just the same in Revit. Now let's load these two WC that I've downloaded. Open. So the model is being upgraded because it was made in previous version of Revit. Now to insert the furniture or the fittings, go to Architecture tab, Component. You can, the type selector, you can scroll down to find the two toilets. If you cannot see the toilet, what you can do is you can just search. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one first. This is from the BIM Object. This here. Another one is this one. Okay, now this is actually at the floor plan, but why is it inserting the WC at elevation? So to change this one, go to, you see here, and the placement, now it's at vertical face, so change to place and on work plane. So it's going to place on your ground floor. Okay, then let's choose another one. I'm going to compare the difference. Toilet. So this is actually from the default Revit library. I'm going to place here. Now let's see the comparison between these three. So actually I will suggest that you just use whatever in the Revit, in the default Revit library, because that one is already made for Revit. For example, let's see the difference. If I click here, you can actually see that you can still flip the furniture, the fittings. So for this one, and there's no action can be made, and you can see that actually there's a lot of polygon for this object, which means it's actually built in another platform. It's not in Revit. The last one is this one. So if I click here, you can see that there's no polygon like this one, but there's extra thing here. So this is actually for plumbing. Now, for the purpose of producing architectural working drawing, I will suggest that you just use this one. But when you're working later, you can just follow whatever your company already set. So that's how to place furniture and fittings in Revit. You can explore more by inserting other furnitures like beds, seating, storage tables, and others.